Welcome guys to the show. First things first, बहुत लोग members of media ask a lot of questions for conversation starters. तो what is that one question जो आप लोग को लगता है उसको अलविदा कह देना चाहिए, उससे start नहीं करना चाहिए, so that I'm ready.
How do you feel being a part of it?
Do you believe in karma?
Yeah.
How do you believe in karma or not?
That is only specific to this film, no?
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's like, how was your experience working on this?
Yeah.
How did he cast you? Why did he cast?
Why did he
Shreyas Talpade is good at comedy. How did you think of him?
in this role? Okay.
तो ये सारे thing हो गए.
Which you think should be banned?
That's exactly what they said. Yeah. What
Ranks
is your
on set.
experience? What is your experience with the Destiny and Karma?
Okay. So we all know Shreyas has worn many hats. He's an actor, he's director also for him, he dubs also, he gives his voice over. So how different is it जब आप एक actor को direct करते हो और एक actor director को direct करते हो, तो उसमें difference क्या है? Because हो सकता है बहुत बार he will gauge what's coming.
Yeah.
So what's the difference?
So I think that people who actually know whether he's a very good actor, whether he knows everything about direction.
Yeah.
Somebody who actually knows that much doesn't show it and doesn't throw it.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, he is very, very subtle. He is very smart at not letting you know that. He lets you do your job. But somewhere, of course, he has that entire, 360 vision, 360 vision चल रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं. So I think, I think he gave complete space as an actor. He did
And
not.
see, more than that, I feel कि मैंने जो काम किया है, whether as an actor, director, it's a separate thing altogether.
Yes.
When you're doing a particular film, so there are many factors associated with it कि कहानी क्या है, आपका रोल क्या है, प्रोडक्शन कौन कर रहा है, और डायरेक्टर कौन है. आप वो सारी चीजें देख के फिर you jump into it, right? And then when you have a director who's as good a director like सोहम, जिन्होंने बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में की है, काल हो, लक हो, बाकी भी उन्होंने एड फिल्म्स इतनी सारी की है, तो then you just have to be the actor on set, as simple as that.
Have to believe.
ज़्यादा ज़्यादा ना क्या बोलते हैं, जैसे मुंबई या लैंग्वेज में ज़्यादा शाना बनने की कोशिश नहीं करनी चाहिए. आपका काम एज एन एक्टर आपको लिया गया, उतना काम ठीक से कीजिए पहले, वो उसके बाद फिर ज्ञान की बातें कीजिए. वो बंदा जानता है, ही इज रिटन इट, ही इज डायरेक्टिंग इट, सो वो जानता है वो क्या करना है. एंड यू शुड गो विथ हिज कन्विक्शन, इज व्हाट दैट इज हाउ आई लुक एट इट.
Okay, perfect.